everyone. If you're having trouble installing your WATMLs Online, as you can see, I'm trying to install it. Now, it's going to act like it's going to install, and it's doing it right now. But I'm gonna come back to this, and it's gonna say it did not install. So, just a minute. Okay, it's installing. Okay, if you have this problem, I can show you how to fix it. You just tap got it. Uninstall WATMLs Online. And honestly, you can't even open it to play it either. So, you go to your Google, you'll type in old versions of WATMLs Online. Tap it. Now, the first one you see is the one you want to click, old versions for Android. Alright, so you got all these versions. You got the newest version, and you've got these other versions down here, all the older versions. I went for version 3.42, which is this one. Sorry for the noise in the background. And you're going to install it, and you're going to click open. You're going to click install. Just give it a second. Tap open. Alright, now it already knows what you want it to do. So it says, do you want to install this app? Yes, we do. We're going to click OK. We're going to give it permission, which we're going to allow it to install it on our device. If you're having trouble installing it from Play Store, this is definitely the way to do it. And it's 100% safe, and it'll even update. Which I'm going to show you in a minute, because this is the old version. One of the older versions, so you're going to be in region 23. But I'm going to show you how to get back to region 0 by updating it. And of course, you're going to go to settings. You're going to enable this. You're going to go back. And you're going to install it again. And then, now it's installed, so we can go out of there. Alright, so you can see it's installed on my device. And just to show you that it's working, I'm going to go to Play Store. I'm going to type in WATMLs Online. You see it says update. We're going to update it. But it should only take a minute. Alright, now it's updated. Now we can play it. We're going to tap play. We're going to allow everything. As you can see, I'm now in the app. Just to show you guys that I'm in the right region. Alright, so I'm just going to do a random animal. We're going to go to a region. As you can see, we're in region 0 right there. And we got in with people. And we have normal stats, normal stuff. And that's how you fix your WATMLs Online. Thank you for watching. Also, once you're done, you can delete the app that you installed to get the old version. You can delete it. It's not going to hurt anything. And then you're done. All done. You can play Wild Animals Online again.